Now can you see it?
Yeah, Shakil. Yeah, now I can see.
Yeah. So today we'll see a very important concept of Cypress, aliases.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So before we start this UI intercept, you should know what is
Hmm.
aliases.
Okay, yeah,
Okay. Actually,
yeah.
aliases, it's like we can say reuse DOM elements.
Okay,
Okay. Reuse DOM
okay.
elements.
Dom element. Hmm.
So let me give an example. Okay.
Hmm.
For instance, one second. So here, like for example, in
Hmm.
Cypress, we cannot write like this. For example, if I want to
Okay,
write constant button equal to, suppose I
okay.
am having one locator cy dot get,
Hmm.
and this is my suppose locator.
Okay.
Okay, and again
Hmm.
I'll take one constant, suppose
Hmm.
form equal to cy
Means
dot.
we can't declare a variable to the element, yeah, to the
Exactly,
locator.
exactly. But we do
Hmm.
in Selenium,
Oh, okay,
but this we cannot do in Cypress.
okay,
Okay, so in this
Hmm.
situation we use aliases.
Okay.
Okay, how? For example,
Hmm.
actually,
Hmm.
we can say like like for example, if cy dot get this locator, we assign to
Hmm.
button. So if I have to write like this button dot click, it wouldn't work in
Yeah.
Cypress.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so
Hmm.
then aliases come into picture. So
Mm-hmm.
actually we use as for aliases as. So actually
Okay.
it's assign an alias
Mm-hmm.
for later use. Remember this thing, huh?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, yes.
yeah. So reference, you can say reference
Mm.
the alias
Mm-hmm.
letter
Mm.
within a cy dot get, or we
Okay.
or we can say or cy dot
Mm.
wait command. So like
Okay.
aliases is used in cy dot get or cy dot wait command.
Wait.
Yeah. So
Okay.
with an at the rate
Mm.
prefix.
Okay.
Got it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So I'll take one example for you. How to do that one. For example,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah, I'll take one live scenario for you. For
Okay.
example,
Yeah.
yeah, if I go to the, I will start on aliases
Mm.
.js.
Okay.
So reference we can write here
Mm.
Cypress, correct?
Yeah. Cypress slash
Yeah,
after Cypress.
yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So describe
Mm.
learning
Mm.
aliases
Okay.
Cypress.
Mm.
This is a callback function.
Okay.
It now open.
Mm.
Suppose open Google website.
Okay.
Open Google, we can say.
Okay.
So cy dot visit
Mm.
w dot google dot.
.com.
Okay. So
Mm.
let me run this one aliases.
Mm.
This is one is not there, no? Aliases.
Yeah.
I have to
You need to search, Shakil. So many are there, no? Search in
but
that.
A is there, na? You haven't get that.
But it is going down, I think. Whatever we write now, not going like that, not coming.
I have to. One
Mm,
second, no problem. I'll just close it.
mm.
See this one.
Yeah.
No, this website get open.
Okay.
Correct. Now, in this
Yeah.
case, I want to type something here. So I'll take one locator by clicking this one.
Okay.
This was my locator. Okay. Text box.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
I copy it.
Mm.
So cy dot. Okay, just copy it. Dot
Mm.
type. So what? For example,
Mm.
what should we? What should I type here?
Yeah. Mm.
I type over India.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So let me check here.
Mm. Will that Cypress locator will come exactly, Shakil?
Yeah, yeah. See here.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now after
Dot
that,
click.
yeah. After that, I have to click this Google search. Okay.
Mm.
Google search.
Okay. Back.
Okay. Next is see where. Oh, sorry.
Mm.
I know. Click.
Mm. Dot click.
Now see
Okay.
here.
Mm. Maybe that will be covered, I think. No. Yeah.
Yeah. So what should we do now?
Mm. Click. I think for that,
Ports.
after India, we need to.
True. Is it working? Ports through if you write.
I don't. No, Shakil.
No.
I think after this only we are getting. Oh, yeah.
Ports through. So it's working. You know, like if something is hidden or
Uh,
overlapping.
okay.
So
Yeah.
see here. So see,
Mm.
in this case, this locator is
But it is
true.
not clicking that Google, no, Shakil. It is clicking India and then going into other page.
No, no, no. It's clicking on Google search
Mm.
button. Na.
Okay.
India is there, na.
Okay. Google search button, not that one, no, Shakil. After that, you're searching something. Okay.
Google search only, na. I click Google search button.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm.
Okay. Now, in this case, see,
Mm.
my
Mm.
locator is, like
Mm.
a very big, like we can say, string.
Mm.
So in this case, I can use aliases.
Mm.
How? So
Okay.
I can use like this, instead
Mm.
of this before type, I just use here
Mm.
dot as
Okay.
as this one
Mm.
is my text box, na.
Yeah.
Text box. Okay. Then I can write here like
Mm.
cy dot get
Mm.
at the rate. Got
Okay.
it? At the rate
Mm.
text box dot type.
Mm.
Same as I can do for this click also. This one is Google search na as
Yeah.
Google search button.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can say Google search.
Okay.
So I write is cy dot get at the rate
Okay.
Google
Google.
search, correct?
Yeah.
Dot click.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yeah.
So whenever you require na this one, so don't
Mm.
write this whole you know locator.
Mm.
Just write a Google search. You'll get the result here. See, I'm running this one.
But locator is there, no Shakil there?
Yeah, see what is the use of this? Aliases. No need to write this
Mm.
big locator. Okay.
Okay, then we can remove that one, huh?
No, no, no. No need to remove.
Mm-hmm.
No need to remove. We just
Okay. No,
giving this
no.
aliases for this locator. Like for
Okay.
example,
What you're saying is no need to write that locator, no, what you're
no, no, no.
saying.
I'm saying
Uh,
you can write that locator. This locator you are giving this name,
okay.
and in future if you want this locator, so just write down Google search dot click. So this
Okay.
one is aliases, alternate name
Mm-hmm.
you can say. No need to write again the locator, because sometimes what
Mm.
happen locator is very big.
Okay.
Yeah. So like once is okay,
Mm.
we can use locator, but we require this locator many times. So no need to copy
Okay.
paste and write all these things. Only write the aliases name.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. For example,
Mm.
I'm having some test cases, second test cases. In that test cases,
Mm.
I required this locator.
Mm.
So instead of writing this one, I just write this Google search.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I run this one, now see, I get the result.
Mm-hmm.
See if you want to see na, see here aliases here. See here.
Okay. Yeah.
This one Google search
Oh, okay.
text box.
Mm.
Got it?
Yeah.
So this is the concept of aliases. So for aliases we use as here
Okay. Yeah.
and use at the rate.
Okay.
And we can use this aliases using cy.get or cy.wait.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Mm. Yeah.
So now, like you
Mm.
are aware of like how to use this, aliases and
Mm.
how it works.
Mm.
Correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like basically uh, why this one is very important concept, in Cypress.
Alias, huh?
Yeah, alias. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
Like in page object model, if you use locator, so locator having a very large string, so in that case you can use that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like
Mm.
we'll come to now what is intercept here.
Okay.
Basically, intercept means what?
Mm.
Okay. So like in Cypress before version 6, Cypress we can
Mm.
say Cypress
Mm.
6 before we can say before Cypress 6,
Mm.
6.0 something. There is
Okay.
like instead of cy intercept,
Mm-hmm.
okay, they use like cy dot server and cy
Mm-hmm.
dot route.
Okay, route.
But now But after this version like Cypress 6.0, they
Okay.
deprecated that one.
Oh,
Which one? CY.server and CY
route,
dot.
route.
Instead we are using now CY dot
Intercept.
intercept.
Mm.
So basically, what is intercept here? The question comes here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you know about any idea
No, no, sure.
what is intercept?
No, I don't know.
So actually, CY intercept, this one
Mm.
does not make any request.
Mm-hmm.
This CY dot intercept, no.
Yeah.
Actually, it does not make any request, but rather
Mm.
listen to request.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So CY dot intercept does not make a request, but rather listen to request. So
Okay.
and that request occur on the network layer.
Okay.
Yeah. So by using CY dot intercept, we ask Cypress
Mm.
to name a certain request that will that we expect to occur after some time. Whatever like we want from that we
Mm.
use using CY dot intercept. Like
Okay.
we can also ask it to wait
Mm-hmm.
before moving, in a network. So actually,
Okay.
CY intercept is usually used in conjunction with two other commands as and wait, CY wait, as aliases.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So basically, if you see now, like
Okay.
intercept, actually it's actually reply to request with a static JSON file defined in the fixture folder. It means that we
O-
can mock the responses.
Okay.
Basically, if I write now, so CY intercept what he do? It mock the responses.
Okay.
Yeah. Handle the request ourselves. Change the
Mm.
change the request status code. Okay.
Okay.
So it also simulate to like suppose if I'm having a condition scenario that I want that server should get failed, so I can mock
Okay.
that one. Yeah. Network failure I can do it using CY intercept. Okay. If I want
Okay.
to delay that network, I can do the delay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So like I'll give one most like example. For example, I'm having one library.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. That library contains suppose 100 books.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I got one API of that library. So when I click
Okay.
that book button, okay, the book is
Okay.
button here. So that
Mm.
fetches the API. Okay. So when
Okay.
I click this book button, no, so I got
Mm.
one API containing 100 books. Okay.
Okay.
So I want to test a scenario where in that I have to check if there is no book in that data. So I get the result
Mm.
that the book is not available.
Okay.
So I cannot do this now because whenever I click on this button, so I got that API and I got the 100 books. So in that
Okay.
case, I mock that request. Responses like I create my own library
Mm.
or own new bookshelf having no books. So once I fetch that one, that mock that duplicate or mock API, so I get the result that there is no book in that shelf.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Got it? So we can do
Yeah.
that one also.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you got it. My point, like intercept, what intercept doing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, basically it's nothing but like we are just
Mm.
interacting with the server, like
Mm.
APIs network layer. So how we get
Okay.
the network layer? See, I'll give an example to you. Like
Okay.
one second. This one is my API.
Mm. Okay.
Can you see this one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, to do list app.
Mm.
So when I click when I inspect it,
Mm.
so see here I'm getting this one. Click on this network.
Okay.
Okay. So refresh it.
Mm.
So the page is getting overloaded here now.
Mm.
See GraphQL is written here.
Okay.
Click
Mm.
here. So you will get here. See. header, payload, review, response.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you go to this payload, you will find here.
Mm.
See, operation name is home page query.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So like header,
Mm.
you will get this all this stuff. Review.
Okay.
This one you will get response. All this stuff you will get. So basically,
Yeah.
see what we'll do. Like in tomorrow's lecture, we can say, see, I'm having a
Mm.
to-do list app. Okay.
Mm.
So this one is a API.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like I have to check whether when I click this create new button. So what happened? I got this
Mm.
one. So I write something here. Suppose if I write Shakil here,
Okay.
create atom. So what
Okay.
happened here? See my name get printed here.
Mm.
Yeah, I can delete this name also. I
Okay.
can I can drop and
Okay. Drag and drop.
drag and drop here.
Okay.
Okay. I can delete that one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I can do it without intercept also using
Mm-hmm.
using by inspecting. We do like in our daily
Yeah.
basis. Okay. So
Yeah.
I can do without intercept. I can create item. I can delete item. Okay.
Mm.
So what is the use of intercept here?
Mm.
So basically, if you see now, intercept is what we actually to make sure whether the right calls are made or not.
Mm-hmm.
Like using intercept, it's
Mm.
actually to make sure right calls are made or not.
Okay.
Yeah, or we can say that we made the right request or not.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So like in this case, if I go and inspect it now, so
Yeah.
using intercept, I can just go to network. I I just click on this refresh button.
Mm. Okay.
So I got this. So I can check it out whether this payload contain this homepage or not. I can verify it using CY
Okay.
intercept. My response is correct or not. Okay, ID is correct or
Okay.
not. So like we are actually interacting with this, we can
Mm.
say XHR.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So this
Yeah.
was just a brief overview of intercept. How we can manage this intercept in network layer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Means we'll do in that like that only Shakil. If we write any code like that, we'll
Yeah,
check
yeah,
in the
yeah,
payload.
yeah, yeah, yeah. See,
Oh.
we do coding, correct? Using Cypress like
Mm.
create
Mm.
new whatever like by inspecting
Mm.
locator. So same we
Mm.
do, but we also add the CY intercept, like to know that
Mm.
whatever the
Mm.
request and responses we are getting is correct or not.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Mm. Mm.
yeah. Got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
So this one actually intercept.
Yeah.
So do you any means any doubt or what like what you understand from me like what exactly intercept is?
Yeah. Means it is the mediator between the two, so we will add that if the element is very bigger, so to reduce that one we will use as alias. If you want to use the alias, we'll use the intercept. Yeah.
Yeah, actually alias is different thing. It's used for the locator to change the name.
Okay.
Basically,
Oh.
intercept is what like intercept means what? Suppose some request is coming
Mm.
and the request is like API. So
Okay.
that API we cannot change because it's coming from the server. Okay.
Okay.
So for
Mm.
to testing purpose, what we do, we interacting that API and we mock
Mm.
it like whatever we want. We mock just interacting with it and we mock it.
Okay.
Yeah, and test it. Like for example, if
Oh.
I want to fetch one library containing 100 books.
Mm.
Yeah, so like there is one scenario that I want that when there is no book in that library, so one warning message is given like there is the book is not available. So in
Okay.
a real sense, I cannot check that one scenario, because if that case, I have to remove all the books in that server. Is it not possible, na?
Okay.
So what we'll do, we'll intercept it and we'll mock that request according to us.
Okay.
and we can do it like we remove all the books, like we are just sending that containing no books, so we get the result. Yeah, there is no book.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
So in that way, like we can just suppose this operation name is given, so we have to check whether this operation name is correct or not. If I create,
Oh,
if I suppose if I click on this create, or 1 second,
oh, mm,
if I create it and then
mm,
I load it.
mm,
So what happened now? See, I get the
oh,
second request here. I click on it.
mm,
This one is
mm,
home page query, which I have done
mm,
before. Now what I have done?
mm. You
This,
have created.
yeah,
Mm,
this one. If I create, suppose
mm,
if I create Shakil here,
mm,
enter it.
mm.
So see, I got this one new. Create mutation, operation name.
Okay, but your name is not printed, no Shakil.
Which one?
Name, your name
And name is
is.
there, na? See here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Mm, mm.
List ID one.
Yeah, yeah.
This one is my responses, Shakil.
Mm, mm.
This one.
What? Yeah,
This one is my header.
yeah,
Got it? This is my
yeah.
request URL.
Mm-hmm.
If I want to delete that one to see what happened now.
Mm.
See, I got this one.
Yeah. Oh,
Delete mutation.
yeah,
Got it?
yeah.
Yeah. So we can deal with this payload review. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Responses
Mm. Mm.
using Intercept.
Okay.
And what is XHR?
Mm.
Actually, it's a XHR means HTTP request is a JavaScript API to create AJAX request.
Okay. XHR full form means what, Shakil?
XHR like
Mm.
I'll let you know about that one XHR. But
Okay.
actually, it's a
Yeah.
JavaScript API to create AJAX request,
Okay.
and it is
JavaScript
yeah
is.
it is a method to provide the ability to send network requests between the browser and server.
Okay.
Yeah, and actually we can say that it is used to interact with server.
Okay.
Like if fetch is written there, fetch.
Yeah. Yeah. Fetch. Yeah.
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 So in this way, this one works.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you had a doubt about this one? Aliases, intercept.
Mm. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. 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 Shakil.
So actually, if you see now,
Mm.
the full form of XHR, like X stand
Mm.
for XHR, and H is
Mm.
HTTP, and R is
Mm.
request.
Okay.
So
Okay.
so you can say XHR means you can say like it's a XML HTTP request. X for XML.
Okay. XML HTTP request.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah.
So
Okay.
tomorrow we'll
Mm.
do one
Mm.
program using that to do.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
and that will clear your dot. Any will
Mm.
clear the picture what exactly Siva intercept do.
Okay.
Using
Yeah. Yeah.
aliases and all.
And alias also you will say tomorrow,
Yeah, yeah.
Shakil?
Alias also will use that one. That's why
Okay.
I taught you today. How to use
Yeah.
aliases.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it will
Yeah.
difficult for you to understand aliases.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in your project, you can also create aliases.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm. Mm. Yeah. For the bigger, to reduce the locators. Yeah.
Locator. Correct. Correct.
Mhm. Mm. Yeah. I'll try, Shakil. Yeah.
Yeah, you can try that one.
Mm. Mm. Okay.
So that's what I want to teach you the basic, the theory of intercept, aliases,
Okay.
and XHR, how it used.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
So like then we'll continue
Mm.
tomorrow, Rajalakshmi. Possible?
Yeah, yeah, fine. Yeah,
Yeah.
Shakil. Yeah, yeah.
So you can
Take care.
just
Yeah, yeah.
do more study on
Mm.
XHR or CY Intercept. So you
Mm-hmm.
will get more idea, you know.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll
And
look into
tomorrow
it.
we'll do
Yes.
the same, scenario for
Mm.
writing this one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay then.
Yeah, yeah. If you are free, you can continue tomorrow, Shakil. Otherwise, you take a break. Otherwise, if you are
Yeah,
so
yeah, yeah,
tired, then.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll let you know like tomorrow how I'm,
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Friday, I need break, Shakil. Friday, yeah. Friday.
Friday you want
Monday.
off?
Yeah, 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 Shakil. Yeah.
Okay, no problem. We'll give you.
Huh?
Yeah.
Mm. Okay.
Okay then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then,
Yeah.
Shakil. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Take care.
Good night.
Yeah. Good
Yeah,
night.
bye bye.